Dieter, drive up. 3 degrees. Germany is one of the major lignite producers in the world. The coal is extracted from opencast mines using bucket excavators. The excavators we use here are up to 210 meters long and weigh a maximum of 13,500 tons. This is roughly equivalent to a bridge across the Rhine. The maximum extraction output of such an excavator is 240,000 tons per day, enough to fill up a 30-meter-high football stadium in 24 hours. The bucket excavators mine the coal on the extraction side of the opencast mine at depths between 180 and 450 meters. To do this, the mine has to be terraced. Miners call the different terraces working levels. In addition to the lignite, the top layers made of earth, gravel, sand, and clay, the overburden, are also excavated. The latest technology is used. The excavator operator steers the giant vehicle down to centimeter accuracy thanks to GPS technology and a joystick. Ralf Sebastian sees the operating data on special flat-screen monitors in the driver's cabin. A computer displays all interference signals. A camera helps him monitor the excavator's conveyor belts for lignite and overburden. We need the GPS technology to cut free the wells and levels. We can cut free the wells and levels to the precise centimeter. And when it comes to planning and cutting, we can also do that down to centimeter accuracy thanks to the elevation indicator. It used to take feel and instinct, but today the visual display and the GPS are a great help. The steel giants are serviced and modernized continuously. About once every 30 years, it needs a new set of teeth. That's when the bucket wheel is replaced. This one here has a diameter of 18 meters. It is fitted into the existing system with millimeter precision. The entire overhaul takes around 100 days, and then the steel giant is ready to scoop again. In Garzweiler, for example, the material is transported on a 100-kilometer-long conveyor system. That's roughly equivalent to the distance between Cologne and Dortmund. The individual belts are almost 3 meters wide and run at a speed of around 30 kilometers per hour. 14 conveyor belts meet at the belt junction, which is a kind of switchyard. The material flows are controlled and managed by the mine's operational monitoring. Change to 760.
Ja, verstanden.
Understood, Dieter. 261. Automatic change to 760.
Ja, okay.
Yep. It's a complex task. Many different signals have to be recognized and everything has to be precisely managed. The operational monitoring is supported by modern high-performance computers. Using these computers, employees ensure that around 600,000 cubic meters of lignite and overburden is transported to the right place at the right time. The employees are in radio contact with each other. All big machinery and conveyor systems are electrically powered. And in Garzweiler, that's not the usual 230 volts that you use at home. It's 25,000 volts. A huge consumer of electricity like an opencast mine has to make efficient use of energy, and so an energy management system is being developed to continue to reduce electricity consumption in the future. Not all lignite is the same. It comes from different seams, and it differs in its composition. And so it has to be allocated to different power plant units depending on its quantity, which is done in the coal bunker. This ensures a consistent quality standard for the power plants. Up to 600,000 tons of lignite are stored in the coal bunker in Garzweiler, making it also a kind of temporary storage facility. If there's an operational disruption, there's always plenty of lignite. Moving a lot of coal and soil can also produce dust. For this reason, RWE has developed a number of measures to keep the impact as low as possible. The dust, which can either be coarse or fine dust, is stopped from spreading exactly where it arises. Especially when coal is retrieved from the coal bunker, dust can develop on the buckets. Behind us, we see the pickup machine with bucket wheel and conveyor bridge. We have fitted both with a spray system in the past. We spray the bunker with water, which is an excellent way to combat the dust. On the transport routes, the lignite and overburden is also moistened. The belts in the mine and the tires of the vehicles are also cleaned. special purpose vehicles remove dirt from the roads. Thanks to these measures, there is less and less dust in the mine. However, there are weather conditions such as hurricane-like storms that carry dust from the Opencast mines. Nothing can be done about that. The lignite itself leaves Gatzweiler in two ways, via the conveyor belt or the mine's own north-south railway, which transports the lignite to the nearby power plants 31 kilometers away. In Neurath, there are two new and highly efficient lignite-fired power plants with optimized plant engineering called BOA 2 and 3. They are the most sophisticated lignite-fired power plants in the world.